Hey everyone, in this tutorial we are going to learn how you can set notification loop and order on your website. So without waiting any further, let's get started. Go to WiserNotify dashboard and navigate to settings. Select the website for which you want to set notification loop and order. Click on settings. Here you will see an option loop notifications. Turn it on to show notification data in loop. You can set the minimum number of notification data required to start loop using this option. If you have set it to 3, notification data will be displayed in loop only when the minimum of 3 data is available. Let's say that you have created a review notification. So the loop will start displaying only when there are 3 reviews available. If the loop option is turned off, the notification will stop displaying after 3 reviews. Now the second option we have is notification order. Here you can personalize notification by showing conversions from visitors country first. If someone is visiting your site from United States, then they will see the notification data from US first. You can also set the loop order using drag and drop. If you want to show purchase count first, drag it at the top and it will be displayed in this given order. And if you want to display notification in random order, simply turn this on. If you have created multiple notifications, let's say sales, review, and conversion, so if you turn this option on, all these will be displayed in random order to every visitor. This way, you get a chance to show multiple notification types to multiple visitors. So that's how you can set notification loop and order on domain level. If you face any issues while setting this up, connect with us on a live chat or email us at support@wisernotify.com.